This is part 2 of tearing down my blaster. About to put alcohol in the frame and get ready to paint. Wiping it down with alcohol and water mix. Gonna get it ready for the base coat and then the metallic purple. Hung up and ready to paint. Going on to the third coat of the undercoat. The next weekend should be primer. It is the next day. We got everything primed, covered holes. So fucking clean. That's gonna be the color of the frame. Been a couple of weeks. This thing has some dust and grime on it. I'm gonna go get it cleaned up now with some rubbing alcohol. And I think I'll be painting it green tonight. I went with a spring green. Looks way weird on camera, but it actually really pops. I'm going really light on coats too. Like, you could see how good of a finish it is. Morning, everything's dry, looking clean, nice. Just moved that one over there, getting ready to paint. Gonna wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, let it dry. Same with this one, I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna paint them. It's currently painted up. Swing arm, A-arms, top A-arms. Frame. Hell yeah. The assembly is gonna be right here of this blaster. I'm gonna be priming the top of the throttle box, I should say. Gonna sand it and then prime it. Spraying the bottom too. That's drying right now, and that'll be sprayed. And yeah, ready to paint the frame purple. So let's get into it.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
Okay, we're back painting it again. It's been like 3 weeks. I just rubbed alcohol in the frame, waiting for it to dry. I did the front real heavy, and now it's time to move to the back. Just got done painting the frame. Looks awesome. Now I'm gonna be painting the front drums in a base coat. Whoops. In a base coat so I can get it ready for the purple. Okay, did a first coat. Gonna wait about 10 minutes for those to dry, and then do a second coat and maybe even a third. I now got it primed. Also the front drums. The front drum where the brake connects to the actual drum. That's the connectors. Those are primed. And now I'm gonna do the tie rods, clean them up. Got this with the undercoat, and then I overcoated it with the purple. This is the first coat. Gonna move on to the second. Okay, I finished the side cover. Painted the back of the drums. Painted the back of the drums on the front side of the drums. And yeah. So, everything's prepped. Got the throttle assembly put back together. Looks very nice. Them screws, like that one are gonna be changed to a nice new when I get my bolt kit in. And Yeah. If you liked watching this video, make sure to drop a follow and stay tuned. Thanks for watching Backyard Builds.